Hello, I'm sure you may be familiar with these videos either on YouTube as shorts or on TikTok. But one thing you may not realize is that, or you may not know, is that these videos were not originally shot for TikTok or YouTube shorts. They were YouTube original videos, normal videos, but being converted into this format. So you can repurpose your content to fit other platforms. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. So we're going to turn this particular video into something like this, something you can use on YouTube as YouTube shorts or on TikTok or any other social platform. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's first of all preview the video we're gonna convert, and here's the video. This is how it is, and we're gonna convert this to video we can use as YouTube shorts or on TikTok. So this is the normal YouTube size video. We need to set the aspect ratio. So let's go there, click on it and change the ratio to 9:16. You can use 30 frames per second. So now let's drag then our video to the first track on the timeline. Now you can see what we have. This is the format of the video we're going to be working on, 9:16. So as you can see, it's a different format. So double click on it and go to transform, and let's scale it to fill the screen. As you can see, you may lose some parts, but you can capture the most important thing. We're going to play it and go through it. So as you're going through it, all you need to do is to be readjusting it and be cutting it. Just be capturing the most important part of the video. Probably we need this right up, so click on it and drag it and make sure it's in the middle. Now we'll play it again. Probably we also need this sun to be in the view, so go to the screen and drag it to exactly there. So you move it again, slide it right there and move these images to the middle. You play it again. When you get to a place where you want it to be displayed, you slide it right there, then you go to the screen and drag it and make sure it's in the middle. Anything out of this view you're seeing will not be in view by the time we render the video. So you have to make sure you drag the video to exactly where you want it to show. So you can slide it again and drag it. So basically that's all you do. All you need to do is to make sure you keep adjusting it. Before you adjust it, make sure you slide it so that you don't keep mixing things up. So let's just go through it and keep playing it, slide and adjust until we capture exactly what we want to capture. So just do that, and don't forget you can also delete any part you don't need. Remember, we're converting this video to the format of YouTube shorts and also TikTok. So we need approximately 1 minute or even less than 1 minute. So bear that at the back of your mind. So we're gonna cut out any part we don't need. And just like you know, when you watch a YouTube short and also TikTok, you'll find some videos. After the first one, they'll ask you to go watch the second part. You can do the same. So if the video is long, you can split it into part 1, part 2, part 3. Some even split it up to like part 10 or something. So you can do the same thing. Just make sure it's not more than 1 minute. And if you're uploading it to YouTube, it shouldn't be more than 57 seconds. At least, not more than 57 seconds. If it's more than that, when you upload it, it could be beyond 1 minute. And the moment it's beyond 1 minute, YouTube will convert it to normal video. You save it as normal video. So just have that at the back of your mind. So we're done with our editing and cropping. Let's go through it and see what we have. So now that we're done with our cropping, you can add text to your video. So just go to title, drag and drop one of the pre-made text, double click on it. You can change and write whatever you want to write. You can change the color. You can click on that preset. You can modify it. You can also move it around and place it wherever you want to place it. And you can, when you're done with that, you can also just copy it and paste it and continue adding text wherever you want the text to be. Well, I'm not gonna add text on this one, so I'm gonna delete them, but you know what to do. And also you can add transition and other effects just to make it the way you want. But basically, this is how you convert any video format to TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So when you're done, just preview it. When you have exactly what you want, the next thing you need to do is to smash the export button and you have your final product. So our video is done. Let's export it and have a final product. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I want to thank you for being a subscriber on this channel. We're heading toward hitting our first 1,000 subscribers. Thanks to you. And if you're new here, if this is your first time here, remember to smash that subscribe button. We appreciate that. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.